What's going on, everybody? This is Stu. I've moved on to YouTube finally. A lot of people have been asking for this, but my issue was with TikTok because they blocked one of my videos for breaching their honesty and integrity guidelines. Absolute bullshit. So I'm going to do videos on YouTube now. Don't know how frequent that's going to be, but I still want you to tag me in videos on TikTok so that I can see them, look at them, but I'm going to run through them in a bit more detail on here. So hopefully this works okay. Hopefully the sound comes through okay. We'll fix it all in post. It's fine. So I'm only on a webcam right now. I was going to do this on my phone, but this is only a first one. So we'll see how it goes. So what I've been tagged in today is, if we just bring it up here on TikTok, I've been tagged in a video, I think 4 times. So there's 1, there's 2, okay, 3 times, okay? So we're going to have a look at this. You probably can't hear the audio, but it's basically saying get paid $600 plus to watch videos, and this is brand new to 2021. So let's pause it right there. So the website is cashkick.com. So let's just give that a type, cashkick.com. I'm going to have to narrate the video. So basically, this is a website where you can do surveys by the looks of it, and you get paid directly to your PayPal account as opposed to points or rewards or anything. So it seems cap, to be honest. 600 plus bucks. And it's brand new. This guy's video only came out yesterday. He's not got time. We'll just pause that right there. Just go on this guy, Andy Hayfell. Don't know if I'm saying that right, but this guy only came out, when was this video? So about a month ago. He's only got 6 videos. This video yesterday popped off, 25,000 views at the moment, 500 followers. Look at this. The Norwegian no BS YouTube and affiliate marketing Viking. No BS. Okay. So let's have a look on Kickback. Kickback? What am I talking about? KashKick. Can't even speak. So KashKick. Cash is the greatest reward. Okay. We'll deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you're already doing online. It sounds like a survey website already, and you can do surveys right there. So you can find great deals, watch videos, surf the web. Okay. Let's have a look what this really consists of. I don't know how dark this is, by the way, because I'm in a room here with not much light, so apologies for that. I've not got a ring light yet. So it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Find and complete your mission, answering surveys to watching videos. There's great and easy tasks for you to choose from. Do as many as you'd like. There's no limit. Okay. Watch the earning grow in your account. Cash out early, easily, and often. So $5 a time is the cash out. Okay. That's strange. $5 each withdrawal can only be $5. So companies are eager to get their deals in front of consumers and for feedback. Your opinions are so valuable they'll even pay you for them. Few minutes and internet connection. Okay. Testimonials, those will be bullshit. Let's see if there's a question section. This is quite a limited website here. Okay, so here's your first ping. This website is intended for residents of the USA only. So this is US only. So I can't do this. I'm in the UK. So that's a bit misleading because it doesn't say that in the video. Granted, the guy's Norwegian. Maybe he's got a VPN. So we're a bit stuck here. Let's just type KashKick scam online. Not the best Trustpilot review. Money Pantry. Let's open a few of these and see what they're saying. Scam Advisor. We want Scam Query too. Let's see what they're saying. Financial Wolves. Let's click on that one. Okay. So Trustpilot. 2.9 out of 5 stars. Not great. A genuine trust and community. Not for me. I'd rather recommend something. Alec Crypto? This can't be the right website. KashKick. I want to give them 0 stars. Don't waste your time. They're just scams. After I completed many surveys to get the first $10, then I made a withdrawal and I only received a cent. When I contacted them, they said my account declined to accept payment. They told me to contact PayPal. PayPal said to find out why your payment hasn't been claimed, contact the person. So that's a circle that you're going to go around forever for the sake of $10. A waste of your time. Took me a month to get to $10, and after requesting a payout, my account was deleted. Okay. I don't know what the other ones are saying. I've cashed out Mike, you know, doesn't even have a real name. Maca Global, didn't like it. A lot of these are, I assume, fake reviews because look at this. Difficult to reach payout. Don't work with them. They'll never pay you out. Hard to reach the first $10. Then my account was deleted, so that's twice now. I don't like it. KashKick. Is it real? Is it legit? Let's have a look. Quick browse. How does it work? It's a survey website. Sign in, do task, get paid. Okay, so each task has its own rate. Can be as little as a cent, as much as $10, so that's the maximum. Most surveys pay about 50 cents, but pay can range from 50 cents to $2. You occasionally see surveys that pay $5 to $10, but not often. I assume there's a lot of criteria you have to qualify for too. Is it legit? It's pretty new, so it's only been around since September 2020. Not that much information around it, so it doesn't know if there's a parent company, if this is an umbrella corporation. It doesn't know. There's not many reviews. Trustpilot, garbage. There's only 7 reviews though. Most people avoid this sort of stuff. I think that's why. Is it worth your time? The pros, PayPal, that's a pro, I guess. That's kind of a legit thing. Cons, it's easy to use, lots of tasks. Getting to the $10 withdrawal can take a long time. That's what the reviews are saying too. It's difficult, we've just read that. It's only open to US residents. Didn't make that clear in the video. There aren't many KashKick reviews, and the few that are mostly negative. And the reviews that I did find on Trustpilot, yeah, this guy done exactly what we did. Better site, Swagbucks, but again, that's got bad reviews. QMe, InstaGC, they're all the same, these survey websites. Not worth your time, in my opinion. Let's see what other people are saying. Affiliate links, obviously. Is it legit? Yes, it's legit. It's not a scam. You can join them here. That's probably a affiliate website, because if you look in the bottom, pubtrack.co, that's probably some kind of affiliate link to get across to KashKick. You gain it once you reach the threshold. It's easy to achieve this threshold. This person is definitely an affiliate for KashKick. I wouldn't trust this person. I would trust the users. So let's see what Scam Advisor says. Likely to be legit. Trust ratings high. Come on, 2.5 stars. Clearly gets the information from Trustpilot too. 100% safe. Again, these websites aren't necessarily damaging as far as not being a legitimate site. They are real. They do pay out. So technically they're getting through the loopholes, I guess. But it's so misleading saying you have to pay out at $10. You think, $10, that's nothing. But it takes you so long to get there. And when you get there, they delete your account. Come on, that's not legit. You can't say it's legit just because the website works. That just means it's a functioning website. But what they're saying and what that video was saying from Andy, no BS. Come on, man. Yeah, he was saying, what, $600 plus to watch videos? Come on, give me a break, dude. And finally, KashKick review of Financial Wolves. May contain affiliate links. Don't like it already. Nothing against affiliate marketers, but when they review something and they're pushing for you to sign up to that company, it's going to be biased towards that company. You got to think of it that way. It's not possible to scan through each of the sites. So much regurgitated information here. Unnecessarily long review of KashKick, in my opinion. Come on, how does it work? Yep, let's get to the main part. So the pros. Low minimum payout, that's the thing. $10 is low, hard to get there. Trust us, this is as low as it gets, but it's still hard to get there. Come on, man. PayPal shouldn't be a plus, man. PayPal should be universal. That can't be a pro of a website. Easy registration. That, come on. If it's not easy, what's the point? Plenty available. Yeah, they pay you a cent each time. Cons. Can't get it worldwide. That's a big con. See, it says here you can only get it if you're living in the US, UK, Canada, or Australia. But the website says US only. It says that at the bottom here. Intended for residents of the USA. I imagine if you are in the UK and you can do it, or Canada or Australia, a lot of the questions are going to be, to get this test, do you live in the US? No. Okay, you can't do the test. You can't do the survey. That's what it'll be. No sign-up bonus. Why would there be? No FAQ, exactly. No helpful information. So, you know, I'm going to end that there because that's enough for me. I don't like it. If I were you, I wouldn't go on this website personally. If you think your time to do these surveys, which could be what, maybe 15, 20 minutes, and you're getting 50 cents to $2, are you worth $4 an hour max? Come on, you're worth more than that. So I would say KashKick, technically, it's a legit website. As far as Andy's video go, that's as cap as they get. It's clickbaity. It's got the views. It's got him some new followers. So yeah, cap. And that's it for this first video on YouTube. I'm hoping to do more of these, and hope this turns out okay and you can hear me okay, but I'll check that in post. And yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want. Obviously you're here, so you probably have. From my TikTok, I'm going to be doing pretty much nothing on there, but I'd like you to still tag me in videos so I can do stuff like this. And I'll just make them on YouTube, make them longer, because a minute on TikTok's not enough time. But yeah, I'm going to sign out for now. So thanks, everybody.